Now, getting in behind the arm here for the running of race number 5, the first leg of the Daily Double and the TAB and the Wagga TAB Ladyship Paces, the first leg of the Quaddie as well. The green light about to twinkle. Race 5, first leg of the Quaddie and Double out of Wagga Wagga underway, and Miss 60's begun well in the middle of the line. Narina Jetstar on the inside's got enough pace, will hold up and lead. In the middle of those is Lady Warhole as they run the first corner, and they were being followed by Miss 60's, who's gone up outside the leader early. In behind them when they'd settled down, the unhobbled pace of Midnight Scribe has been well tried, going to balance in a nice one out and one back trailing position, and is now pushing on to go up and have a look at the leader. They're being followed further back by Mercy when they'd settled and got going. In behind those is Glen Bernana, who's over along the inside, and it was being followed forward further back in the field by Look But Don't Touch on the outside. Our Pretty Maid was away well tonight, will balance second last and making a run through along the inside, and Wise Goddess was last of all as they sped up towards the top corner. The lead time was 30.6 for the first quarter of the last mile, and Midnight Scribe is going up and looking at Narina Jetstar, and that pair together in front as they come down to the judge to get the bell. Over on the outside, Miss 60's holds third, and the leader's back was Lady Warhole. Behind them, Glen Bernana, followed by Mercy, Our Pretty Maid. Wise Goddess just losing a bit of contact, and so too Look But Don't Touch as they zip through in 29 and 9, and they've run 61.5 for the half. They're on the railway side, and the run for home with Narina Jetstar the leader in front, but only ahead to show. Midnight Scribe is second, and then Miss 60's being followed by Lady Warhole, who's in the inside trying to get out from behind that leader but doesn't have the legs to do so, and broke Lady Warhole. Glen Bernana is shooting up on the outside, and I don't think you want shares in the rest, although Our Pretty Maid runs on with a little bit of zest as Midnight Scribe takes them off the back at the 400. Glen Bernana the outside, Narina Jetstar fighting back on the inside, and Our Pretty Maid's going to join the fight late out, 3 and 4 wide on the turn. Glen Bernana, Our Pretty Maid is swamping them out wide now. Might be her night tonight. Our Pretty Maid races up out wide on the track, takes over inside the final 75, not getting away from them. Is it doing enough? I don't think so. I think the inside, Midnight Scribe has kicked back to win from on the outside, which was Our Pretty Maid, and they're being followed by Narina Jetstar, Mercy, Glen Bernana. Further back, Look But Don't Touch, Miss 60's, Lady Warhole knocked up, and the last one home was Wise Goddess in another deceptive finish here at Wagga Wagga.